Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make omelette the Haitian way. In there I have some green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and some onions. And now I just fry it a little bit. And I'm going to pour the eggs, and make sure you like whisk the eggs, and just add a little bit of water, like 1 teaspoon of water. Just, like if you have 3 eggs, add 1 teaspoon of water. And by now I always like just turn off the oven because I don't like it too dry. And just let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until it's not watery. Basically, and all the liquid cooks. And if you have some cheese, you can put some cheese on top of it. And that's it. This is how I like it. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.